In today's video, I'll teach you how to change Gmail password on mobile. So first of all, launch open Gmail on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the profile interface. In order to change your Gmail password, what you have to do is simply change your Google account password. So tap on this option, manage your Google account, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to manage your Google account in your mobile. Over here you'll be able to find various options. At third, you'll be able to find this option for Google password. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, verify it's you by simply using your passkey or screen lock. Now after that, you'll be able to change your password. All you have to do is simply enter your new password and confirm the new password. Your password must have at least 8 characters and make sure not to use a password from another site. So tap on the field of new password and create the password accordingly. You'll also be able to see your password strength over here. Now after you do that, confirm the password. Now once you do that, tap on this option, change password, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the devices that you'll stay signed in on. Simply tap on this option, change password. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here your password has been changed. So that is how you change your Gmail password on mobile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.